What's going on, everyone? Stephan here from firealarm.com. Today, I wanted to highlight one of the many fire and life safety tools that we sell. In this case, the Sellstrom S97 452 Fire Blanket. For those of you that don't know, a fire blanket is a sheet made up of different fire retardant materials designed to be placed over a fire in order to smother it. For proper use, fire blankets are designed to put out small, kitchen-related fires, such as one in a saucepan. Sellstrom also makes other versions of their fire blanket. Here, we have the S97 453 and the S97 450. All of these fire blankets are designed to be easily accessible, to be used quickly and safely in order to suffocate a small fire, but can also be used to wrap around oneself if you happen to catch fire or are trying to escape a fire hazard. The difference between these Sellstrom products are their materials and packaging, depending on where you need to store your fire blanket, but they all serve the same purpose. As always, you can check out firealarm.com for all of the latest fire and life safety technologies, products, services, and information. Thanks so much. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.